Hey, buddy. What are you doing? Are you playing? Want to spin the monkey? Spin. Nathan, hit the button. Yeah, that's the button. Good job. You gotta hit it, though. Hit the button. Hit it. There you go. Good job. You hit the button. You're so smart. Hit the button. Nathan, can you spin the monkey? Spin the monkey. Where's the monkey? Yeah, that's the monkey. There's your monkey. So smart. Nathan, you wanna hit the button again? Hit the button. Hit your button. Nathan, hit your button. There it is. Good job. You are so smart. Yes, you are. Are you dancing? You are so cute. Tapping your feet. You gonna stand up? Alright. For the record, he's 11 months.